Hello everyone, welcome back to Lemon Solution. In this video, we are going to see how you can change the background color and wallpaper in WhatsApp chat. For that, you have to open WhatsApp, go to the three dot options here, settings, chats, click on wallpaper. You have applied dark theme, then you can theme that through this slider like this. Apart from this, if you want to change the background wallpaper, click on change. By clicking on solid colors, you can change the background color of your WhatsApp. In order to set a particular image, you need to click on my photos. From here, you can set any favorite photo like this. Change the wallpaper dimming from here. If you want to change the theme of the WhatsApp chat, then click on theme. As we all know that WhatsApp comes with a default theme which is light. So if you want to go with system default, then click on system default or dark, light. You can do anything from here. This change is applied to every chat in WhatsApp like this. You'll get to see this change is applied to every chat. To change the wallpaper of any particular chat, click on wallpaper. From here, you can change the wallpaper. You can set anything here. Like this. This theme is applied to this chat only. If we open another chat, then we'll have the same chat that we have applied in the first method. So in this way, you can change the background color, theme or wallpaper in WhatsApp chat. Thank you very much.